breathe. You're not losing it. You're not broken. You're having a mental breakdown, and that means your system is overloaded, not defective. The good news, you don't need hours, you don't need a therapist on speed dial right this second. You just need 5 minutes and these 5 steps to get through the wave without drowning. Minute 1. Stop and name it. Don't fight it, don't judge it, don't spiral into why is this happening? Just pause. Put your hand on your chest, feel your heartbeat, say it out loud. Even if it's a whisper, this is a mental breakdown. It's intense, it's scary, but temporary. I've survived 100% of my worst days so far. Naming it takes away its power to gaslight you. This isn't forever. It's a storm, and storms pass. Minute 2. Ground your body, not your thoughts. Your thoughts are lying to you right now, so don't argue with them. Go lower to your body. Press your feet hard into the floor, wiggle your toes, grab something cold, a bottle of water, a metal spoon, and hold it in your palm. Breathe in 4, hold for 2, out for 6. Repeat. You're not trying to calm down, you're trying to remind your nervous system, I am here, I am safe, I am still in my body. Minute 3. Reduce input immediately. Turn off notification, close the tabs, mute the group chat. If you're around people, say, I need 5 minutes alone, I'll be okay, I just need space. If you can't leave, go to the bathroom, sit in your car, duck into a closet. Sensory overload fuels breakdown, creates silence, darkness, stillness. Even if it's tiny, your brain is screaming, too much. Your job, give it less. Minute 4. Do one tiny thing on purpose, not to fix your life, not to be productive, just to prove yourself I still have agency. Splash cold water on your face. Write one sentence, right now I feel this way because that and this is how, and so on. Hum one line of your favorite song. Text a friend having a moment, no need to reply. One small act of control reminds your brain you are not powerless. Minute 5. Whisper this and believe it. Look into the mirror or close your eyes. Say this slowly like you're speaking to a terrified child, because you are in this situation. You don't have to fix this right now. You don't have to understand this right now. You just have to get through the next 5 minutes, and I'm right here with you. We've got this. Then sit, breathe, wait for the wave to crest. It will. It always does. You don't need to be okay today. You just need to survive one 5-minute block at a time. Breakdowns don't mean you're weak. They mean you've been strong for too long without support, without rest, without permission to fall apart. Now you've got the permission, and you've got these 5 minutes. And this breakdown, it's not the end of you. It's the beginning of a deeper kind of healing. You've got this. It will pass. Let's relax first, then solve life.